Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very informative and very useful. So please watch the video till end and please like, share and subscribe our channel to motivate and support me. So before we start our today's video, so let's take a quick revision of the things which we have done in our previous video. So my dear students, we were actually studying decomposition reactions. So I had told you that decomposition reactions are those reactions in which single substance is actually splits up or decomposes into two or more substances. So that reactions are decomposition reactions, and actually energy in the form of heat or electricity or light is required in actually decomposition reactions. And based on this energy, decomposition reactions are of three types. I have told you. Number one was thermal decomposition reactions, and in thermal decomposition reactions actually energy is in the form of heat. And second was actually decomposition reaction by using electricity. These decomposition reactions are also called electrolysis. So I had told you this thing also. And the third type of decomposition reactions are those where light is used. So I had told you with example also that silver bromide, actually when light is very sensitive to light, so when light falls on silver bromide, so this actually splits up into silver metal and bromine liquid, sorry. So students, this we have actually studied in our previous video. So today let's start our today what we are going to study. So I would like to tell you that apart from these actually reactions which we have studied, there are some decomposition reactions which are naturally occurring. For example, digestion of food in our body. So digestion of food is also an example of decomposition reactions. So in this process, what happens that food which contains actually food grains which contain what we call starch. So starch is actually decomposed or splits up in what we say glucose, and actually proteins which we get from pulses or from any food. So that is decomposed into amino acid. So let me write this. Naturally occurring decomposition reaction. Naturally occurring decomposition reaction. So naturally occurring decomposition reaction is actually digestion of food. Digestion of food. So digestion of food is naturally occurring decomposition reaction. So what happens in digestion of food? Digestion of food. So in digestion of food, starch which is present in our actually food grains, for example in our rices or in wheat and maize, etc., what we eat. So that is decomposed into, splits up into starch, sorry, splits it up into glucose. And proteins into amino acids. So this happens in digestion of food, which is actually a decomposition reaction. So once again, let me tell you, digestion of food is naturally occurring decomposition reaction, and in digestion of food, what happens that the starch which is present in our food grains, so that is decomposed into glucose, and proteins are decomposed into amino acids. So this I have told you. Now, my dear students, our next topic is uses of decomposition reactions. Uses of decomposition reactions. So decomposition reactions are highly useful for us, because actually metallurgy is a process in which we extract metals from their ores. So actually we use these reactions, decomposition reactions, in use of decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions. My dear students, this is very important topic, and a question in exams is asked that about the uses of decomposition reaction, how decomposition reactions are useful for us. So let's this is very important topic from exams point of view. So use of decomposition reactions. So number one, it is used in metallurgy. Metallurgy to extract my dear students, I may be wrong in writing spelling of this, double L or single L. I have written double L. Metallurgy to extract metals from their ores. Ores are actually impure compounds. So for example, thermal decomposition reactions, or second is decomposition by passing electricity. So in these reactions are used in metallurgy actually to extract metals from their ores. So second use is, I have told you, actually in our food digestion also decomposition reactions take place. So in digestion of food, so digestion of food also takes place due to decomposition reactions. So I have told you already that in digestion of food, what happens, that starch decomposes into glucose, and proteins decompose into amino acids. So this I have told you. Starch decomposes into glucose and proteins decompose into amino acids. Please remember this. This is very very important, my dear students. Please remember this. And the third is decomposition by light. Decomposition by light. So that is used in decomposition by light is used in black and white photography. Because we know that silver bromide actually is a highly light sensitive chemical. So when light falls on this, then silver bromide decomposes into silver plus and bromine. So this is actually decomposition by light is used in black and white photography. So my dear students, I have told you the uses of decomposition reactions. Very very important topic actually, and question from this topic is generally asked in exams. So first point was in metallurgy we use decomposition reactions, thermal decomposition as well as electrolysis. And our actually digestion of food also happens due to actually decomposition reactions, in which I have told you starch decomposes into glucose and proteins decompose into what we say amino acids. And third, we have just discussed that in our actually black and white photography decomposition reactions are also used. So my dear students, I think this is clear to you. And now I would like to give you some questions on decomposition reactions. So let me write the questions. So I hope that you have actually, you are also noting down with me. So my dear students, always have a pen and notebook with you, so that the important points which I discuss here, which I write here, so you must write them down. Now I would like to give you some questions based on based on decomposition reactions. So let me write the questions. First question is, what type of reaction is digestion of food? What type of reaction is digestion of food? Digestion of food. Second question is, state an important use of decomposition reaction. State an important use of decomposition reactions. Question number 3 is, what type of chemical reactions are used to extract metals from their naturally occurring compounds like oxides or chlorides? What type of reactions are used to extract metals from their naturally occurring compounds of compounds like chlorides or oxides. My dear students, I'm sure that you are also writing these questions with me. What type of chemical reaction takes place when limestone is heated? Which type of chemical reaction takes place when limestone is heated? Then question number 5, last question is, which type of chemical reaction takes place when silver bromide is exposed to sunlight? Which type of chemical reaction takes place when silver bromide AgBr is exposed to light? So my dear students, these are the questions which I have given to you to solve. I am repeating the question. Question number 1 is, what type of reaction is digestion of food? Second is, state an important use of decomposition reactions. Third is, what type of reactions are used to extract metals from their naturally occurring compounds like oxides or chlorides? Question number 4 is, which type of chemical reaction takes place when limestone is heated? Question number 5 is, and last question, which type of chemical reaction takes place when silver bromide is exposed to light? So my dear students, I am sure that the answers of all these questions you know very well. If you have actually actively and attentively attended our this class and the previous class. So this is all for today, and if you have any doubt, any point, if you have a doubt, then please write in comment box. I will certainly answer your question. So my dear students, thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So keep learning, keep watching our channel and keep growing. Good luck.